Hi guys, it's Miss Molina here, and I'm here to help you get through this pre-AP stuff. So this week we're going to be looking at data, graphs, and how to interpret that data. You're going to need some special vocabulary words. This week you're going to need mean, median, mode, range. You've got 4 words that I want you to master. So I'm going to help you with that today. Mean. Let's just jump into it. So I'm going to show you what I've prepared. There's my little anchor sheet. Mean. The sum of a set of numbers divided by the number of numbers in a set. So I'll show you in a moment what that means and how to find it. Then you've got the word median. Small, median, and large. So median is found where? In the middle, right? And that's what it is. The middle number when data is arranged in numerical order. That's going to be key. Anytime you have a data set, you're going to have to order the numbers from least to greatest so that you can find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Next word, mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most in a set of numbers. And the range, what I use is the saying, I look high and I look low. And then after you've looked high and you've looked low, you find the difference between the greatest and the least numbers in that data set, and that's your range. So let's get into some examples. Here, if I've got the data set 8, 8, 9, 4, 9, 8, and 10, I'm going to first put all of these in order, like I've mentioned to you before. So we're going to put these numbers in order, and I've done that for you here in the next little part. So right here, I took these numbers, and there's 7 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I've included all of them, and now they're in least to greatest. To find the mean or the average, you have to now add all of these together. So when you add all these numbers together, you get 56. Now remember I told you there were 7 numbers here? You will then take the total and you're going to divide it by the number of however many numbers you have in that set. So this one's an easy one. 56 divided by 7, that's 8. The answer for the mean, and it's also known as average, is 8. Median. Well, 8, the number 8 appears 3 times. Although the 9 appears more than once, it's only on here twice. 8 is on here 3 times. So the answer to the median is 8. And for, but you know what? Wait, because sometimes you're going to have a data set and you're not going to have one number in the middle, like I've done here. This data set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So when you have a set of numbers that's an even amount, you're not going to have a middle. Like here, 8 and 9 end up in the middle after I cross out 4, cross out 10, cross out 8, cross out 10. You end up with 2 numbers in the middle. Well, the step for finding the median now would be to add these together. 8 plus 9 is 17. And then find the average between them, or the mean. So 17 divided by 2, because now I'm working with 2 numbers, is 8.5. The median for this data set will be 8.5. Let's go back to the mode. So as I mentioned before, your mode is the number that appears the most. Your range, you look high. What's up there? A 10. And you look low. What's down there? The least numbers of 4. You take the 10, you take the 4, you look high and low, find the difference, and you get your range, which is 6. Hope this video has helped you. I will be posting videos a few times a week, and you guys know how to reach me. You can email me, you can send me a text, you can send me a class dojo, or you can message me here on the classroom, on the Google Classroom. I'm here for you, whatever you need, and we'll be in touch. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.